So if you're currently looking at your Kindle and it looks something like this and you're wondering how to get it looking like this, then you're in the right place. So this Kindle came to us, it looked like it does there. So the battery icon was up on the screen. So the Kindle went on charge, and then surprisingly it didn't come to life like most Kindles do when you go to put them on charge. Normally, you put the charger in, and once it has enough charge, it will just spring to life. This one didn't, and I didn't know quite why it did that. So it is worth mentioning at this point which model of Kindle it is. It's the Amazon Kindle 4 Wi-Fi model 6-inch. The model number is the D01100. Now the process that we're going to go through should be very similar for other Kindles, and in fact it's actually very, very similar for most electrical products that seem to find themselves stuck in this kind of situation. So what we'll do is we will first plug this into power if it's not already plugged into the power. So it needs to just plug in through its micro USB port and then straight into a USB plug, so we'll do that. The little LED at the bottom of the unit should light up to let you know that power is being received by the unit. So it's at this point that it's worth mentioning that this method was found out by trial and error. I tried a number of different buttons, the power button at the bottom, particularly one of them, which a lot of people say will bring it back to life, but that didn't work at all either. So the only button that worked for me was the one in the center here, and it's this button in the middle that I held down for about 30 seconds whilst the unit was still plugged in. So at first it didn't actually look like it did anything, so I kind of left it to charge and walked away from it, and I must have come back to it maybe about 5-10 seconds later, and the unit had sprung into life. So this is the screen that you want to see. This is the screen that will appear when the Kindle has started to reset itself. So you'll see a little picture of a tree with a little young boy underneath it reading a book. So if you get to this screen, then that's good news. All in all, this should take roughly in the region of about 2-3 minutes for that bar to get right to the very end and for the Kindle to restart. That is all done. That is all reset. If we just quickly go into the settings, we can have a look and just confirm that it's not connected to any wireless networks, and it's not registered to a particular Kindle account or Amazon account. So it's just asking us to register, which tells us that it's not actually registered yet. And then last of all, we will just switch off the unit just to confirm that it goes into its standby screensaver mode.